What makes the CMM software the #1 software for campground maintenance and work camper management? It provides a smarter, faster, and easier way to hire, train, and manage the most qualified campground managers and work campers, including the maintenance duties and activities they perform. Its easy-to-follow methodology produces powerful, affordable, and user-friendly functionality, allowing you to sync the work camper's criteria from the CMM website, so you are up and running in minutes. Use the provided maintenance duty list or create your own. Create weekly schedules that allow you to alternate work camper days, duties, or hours with a single click. Repeat or edit weekly schedules. Print and email weekly schedules to managers and work campers. Avoid tardiness with work campers' sign-in sheets that include their assigned start times, end times, maintenance duties, and activities. Maintain an up-to-date profile for past, present, and future managers and work campers. And install on up to 5 Windows-based devices, all under one license. Employers, join today and receive the free beta version of the CMM software.